Right, guys. So last time we talked about how to get a really nice layout. Let me just show you here. Right, we got jump, we get daily jumps, but I want to create a you know like a car view. Okay, so we have to change that as well. So all that is edge stack. Edge stack got inside. We got V stack. That's the reason why it's vertical, right? Jumps and daily jumps. Like this is a secondary explanation. And what I'm going to do is to I think it's the V stack, right? So it's a vertical stack, up and down, and below this, you should go inside of a edge stack, right? And the edge stack will have a maybe let's add an image, and then system image. Okay, this is like a getting really tiring of get all this. I'm going to use the help of Copilot, right? So you can quickly type things out for me. Okay, so image here, and we got like a system image. Yeah, that's good. That's much better. Sure, right. That's very good. Secondary. Okay, so we can accept this secondary, and then outside this edge stack. So basically, just to add a pretty nice chevron, or just a fancy name for arrow, right? Arrow to the right. So if you look at here, you should be able to see a really nice arrow. Okay, still can't see it. Pretty slow. Oh, it's not too slow. It's rather there's an error. System. Okay, it's not system image. So Copilot just give me a wrong suggestion. That's weird. Okay. It should be system name. Okay, don't trust AI for everything. Okay, just use it as a like a helper, but don't trust it. Okay, chevron to the right, so you can click it and you can see more, right? Or do I have like a detailed view or something like that? Just make it looking nice. Or plus, okay, do I have something like that? Or let's change an arrow. Apple Watch arrow? Oh my gosh, maybe. Digital crown. Yeah, we got tons of error. I think this arrow right is nicer. Chevron's like it too small and too narrow for my taste. So yeah, this looks pretty cool. Maybe not field. If I delete field, can it work? Yeah, that's sort of what I'm talking about. Yeah, pretty good. And of course, you can add a spacer in between, so you can get more separated. This is much like a front end web development. So yeah, we got something like this. We got this VSet leading, and yeah, we got this, but it's too to the left and right. So what I'm gonna do is to add a little bit of padding, so we can get a nice padding here. Okay. Insects. Yeah. Just to use the default padding. Maybe it will work. Maybe it won't. Doesn't really matter. You just need to spend the time adjust. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cool. So we already got this padding, but it's not a tag. It's not a card view. So what I'm going to do is to just below this padding, I'm going to add a placeholder for the card. So I'm going to say round rectangle, Let's go back to here so we can do things quickly. Round rectangle, you can have a corner radius of a 12. That's good. Foreground size, secondary, we got a 115 frame, padding, background, fill with secondary system background color. Okay, I have no idea what it will look like, so let's just check. Okay, expect in this expression list. Okay, so maybe I need to close this first and then run this. Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? We got this jump, daily jump. We can click. Right now I did not do that. And we got this like a card view. We got this rectangle, right? Rounded rectangle, have a background of a corner radius 12, fill with system secondary color. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And we got this like foreground secondary color background. Yeah, can I make it orange? Okay, can I make it orange? So more, yeah, outstanding. And you can have a opacity of a double, maybe 0.4, just to turn it down a little bit. Yeah, pretty cool. Maybe 6. Yeah, I have no idea what the result is, but it looks pretty cool. This is like a background radius. Can I make it like more rounded at the outside, so it's more card around it, like, yeah, pretty cool. We also got paddings, rounded rectangle padding, and the whole V stack option. Okay. And here can I add a padding as well. Okay, a default padding. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's really rounded, padded there. Yeah, pretty cool. Of course, you can have your customized color. Right now, I think this looks pretty cool. Okay, it's orange, it's energetic, right? Maybe 7, something like that. It's orange, it's energetic, and I love this like a vibe of this. Okay, and of course you can change the like a background to something like I don't know, you can change to different. Of course, you can use online service like color hunt, something like that. You can get the the customized color palette combination. Okay, but that's not what we're going to do in this video. Okay, we will do that when we go through the final project. But right now, let's not waste your time with this. And yeah, so then padding. Can I have a navigation title? Because it's a navigation stack title. We can have a text. It's hard coded, right? This will be like jump rope pro plus, yeah, something like that. Okay, like William James jump rope pro plus, yeah, so you can get all this like jump information, and it gets color view, and maybe let's add some, charts or something like that. So daily jump, you can actually see your jump information. You can input information, something like that. Okay, it will be fun. Right now I'm pretty satisfied with the card view. Okay, so yeah, see you next video. Bye. And don't forget, if you want download the code, don't want to like go through it, or you want to support me, please join the Patreon. Okay, you can just download all the source code on my Patreon page. Okay, and yeah, thanks. Bye.